I'm so glad I'm here. So glad I'm here. So glad I'm here every day. So glad I'm here. You know, I'm so glad I'm here. I'm so glad I'm here every day. I'm gonna sing while I'm here. Sing while I'm here. Sing while I'm here every day. Sing while I'm here. Gonna sing while I'm here. Sing while I'm here every day. You know, joy brought me here. Joy brought me here. Joy brought me here, here today. Joy brought me here. Joy brought me here. Joy brought me here, here today. And love brought me here. Love brought me here. Love brought me here, here today. Love brought me here. You know, love brought me here. Love brought me here, here today. I'm so glad I'm here. So glad I'm here. So glad I'm here every day. So glad I'm here. You know, I'm so glad I'm here. So glad I'm here every day. I'm so glad I'm here, here today. You know, I'm so glad I'm here, here today.
So then I can see.
Glad I'm here every day.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I'm here every day.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, geez. Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Well, hello, Woodridge Eagles. It's so good to see everyone out there. We are celebrating our upcoming Veterans Day holiday. And before we get started for our first live assembly together, you guys, I am so excited to see you here. I want to introduce to you some Woodridge Eagles, some of our very own Cub Scouts from Pack 634. So Pack 634 is going to be presenting the colors, and what that means is they're going to go through a formal process of how to present our United States flag. So at this time, I'm going to turn it over to Pack 634, and thank you for presenting our colors as we get started.
Color guard attention. Audience, please rise. Color guard advance. Color guard halt. Scout salute. Those not in uniform, please place your right hand over your heart. Please recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. 2. Color guard, post the flag of the United States of America. Color guard, post the flag of Pack 634. Color guard, honor your colors. Color guard, return to ranks. Audience, please be seated.
So typically after we present our colors, we then do the Pledge of Allegiance. And as we go into doing the Pledge of Allegiance, please rise in your homes, and I will say the first part and you can say the rest with me, but this is something by law we are required to do at a Veterans Day assembly. So please rise. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, PAC 634, for your service in presenting the colors. Today we're coming together to celebrate Veterans Day, and we want to talk about who are our veterans. I know Mrs. Peterson has been teaching you about this, and some of your teachers have already talked about this or will be talking about this. But we come together because on Wednesday this week we won't have school. How weird is that? Well, it's because we're celebrating our veterans, and those are people who have served in the United States military, whether it be the Army, the Navy, Marine Corps, Air Force, or Coast Guard. We appreciate our veterans, and so we're taking this time to come together. We'll be singing some songs and learning a little bit more about our veterans. And those who are veterans had lots of different jobs. They weren't just fighting for freedom, they were also taking care of people. And so it could be someone that was in the military as a doctor, maybe they were a nurse, a dentist, doing the hair, a barber, cooking, flying airplanes, lots of other roles to serve our country as a veteran. Veterans today, it could be your neighbor, friends, cousins, relatives, grandfathers, sisters, daughters, anyone really. And some of you had your parents send in some pictures of our very own Woodridge veterans that we'll be looking at in a second. But I want to talk about why we celebrate Veterans Day. And the whole purpose on Wednesday is to really pause as a country and thank the people who are here to bring us the freedom that we're currently working on. Some veterans had to leave our own families to fight for our country's rights. Some veterans had to work in dangerous conditions, and some were even wounded during their service. So it's important we remember our soldiers who served in the military and might have also been in different wars. How do we celebrate? Well, again, this Wednesday, every November 11th, honestly, for 1 minute on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, so that'll be 11 a.m. this Wednesday, there's going to be a moment of silence where everybody around the country pauses or is invited to pause to remember our veterans. And typically, without COVID, we would have parades and so forth, but I encourage you on Wednesday to see how you could celebrate. These are some pictures of our very own Woodridge veterans from different students here at our school. So if you're watching with your family, they can point out who these pictures might be. I know we have some from different students like Elliot up there in the left-hand corner in 2nd grade, and Warner Jones and Ellie Custer and so many people. I know that's my grandfather in the bottom right. So that's Emmy's grandfather. But as you'll see on these slides, lots of veterans in our very own Woodridge community, and we want to honor those veterans today. And so we're going to come together and sing some special songs for each of you who are veterans and for each of you who have family who are veterans. So it's a good time for us to come together and celebrate these people who have helped make a difference in our country and continue to make a difference. So thank you to all of you who were able to submit some photos. And if you didn't get a photo in, you can always send them for next year. And now we'd like to say we appreciate your service and please join in our celebration of all you've done for us. Thank you. Thank you for your patience as we fix this so you can hear the words and sing along with all of us.
Tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of children's pride, from every mountain side, let freedom ring. My native country, thee, land of the noble free, my name I love. I love thy rocks and rills, thy woods and templed hills, thy heart with rapture thrills, thy glad above. Let music swell the breeze and ring from all the trees, sweet freedom song. Let mortal tones awake, let all the free partake, let rocks their silence break, the sound prolong.
Once again, thank you so much to our veterans, and I know I appreciate Mr. Holmes and our other music teacher, Mrs. C, I like to call her because sometimes I don't pronounce her name right and I'm still working on it. But both of them worked hard to help make sure these songs were here for us to enjoy together. So special thanks to both of them and also to each of you for joining us today. We have close to 200 participants logged on right now, and so we want to thank all of you for your time, and we hope that you too can pause on Wednesday to honor our veterans. And most importantly, thank you to all the veterans out there for all of your service and sacrifices you've given. And together, let's come together as a country and continue to do the best we can, to be the best we can in this world and for the future. So have a great afternoon and go Woodridge Eagles. Bye.